Hello everyone, welcome once again to the Easy Earners Club, where you get to learn how to earn sweatlessly online. Now this is a new project that is been making the waves on the internet right now. Okay, you can actually earn freely without in any investment, and without whether you have referral or not. You can actually earn. It's actually an airdrop, but it's an airdrop whereby you actually get to withdraw so long as you meet the minimum withdrawal amount. So in this video I'm just going to walk you through how you're going to do it, and then we talk a bit more about it. Now, depending on which region you are from, definitely this is not my region, so I'm going to have to change it. To register my phone number, I'm from Nigeria. You can actually look for your own country from this section as well, and then you write your phone number in international format. Okay, of course, if you are from Nigeria, you know that your number is 070 something 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 or 080. So in this format, you remove the first zero. You won't put the first zero, and then you just put the rest of your number right here. They usually send code, as I came to understand, I think through WhatsApp. So what you want to do is to put your WhatsApp phone number. Okay, once you have put your WhatsApp phone number, then you come here to click on this send verification code, and then you are going to get the message, and then you also create your password and then confirm the password. You can, and then after that you click on register. Okay, so I'm going to be doing that right now. I hope that's clear, guys. So I've added my phone number, my WhatsApp phone number, and then I'm going to be clicking on this to verify that I am human. Okay, guys, so I've been able to register. So what we want to do is to click on personal center. For registering, look at this, guys. This is 2000 gems, but it has been frozen. Okay, but you are going to get it after you have logged in consecutively for 2 days. So I guess today will count as the first day, then tomorrow will count as the second day. Then these 2000 gems will be unfrozen for me, and then it will become available here. Now, apart from that, how else do you earn gems, right? The next thing you want to do is look at this, sign in. Okay, so you click on it. After click on the signing in, okay, you would have gotten 500 I beg your pardon, 400 gems added to your account. Okay, so if you want to see it, you can go to the personal area again and then check. Okay, so you see from the personal area, scrolling down, you can see this available 400 gems. So that's how to go about it. Okay, every day you just come in and then sign in, and then you earn 400 gems. Actually, this project, it does not really require, well, whether you refer or you don't refer, you can actually earn. Okay, as long as you sign in, and you can withdraw. But then, you know, if you refer people, you definitely get additional gems. Okay, I think up to 3 levels down. So, okay, let's just quickly take a look at this. You can click on this drop down at this section here. You can see, click on it. So let's go to this is how you get your referral link. Okay, so click on invitation reward, click on it, and then you scroll down, and then you can see your referral link here. So copy it and send it to your family and friends, as many as possible. And what you get is, for your first level referral, that is the friends that you refer directly, you are going to be getting 1000 gems. And then your second level referral, you are going to be getting 600 gems. And your third level referral, you'll be getting 300 gems. We go to the task section. Okay, let's click on this. Look at the task section. These are to see the various ways on how to get more gems. So now that we've done the new registration, and we've done the daily check-in, so out of the remaining parts of how to earn on this Efsane is to do the number one, we do the share the lucky draw, and also we also do the lucky draw betting. Now personally, me, I don't like betting, but then this one is not, it does, you don't have to put in money, everything here is free, so you can't really categorize it as betting since whatever you mine, so to say, is what you are going to use for the betting. And then, so let's just do it one after the other. Now for this one, so that we understand what you are doing properly. Now this one, it's like, you are going to, what you are just doing here is to share your link here. Okay, when you come here to participate, okay, says that if you share for 3 times in a day, okay, you will be able to get the reward of 100 gems. You can see task reward here, 100 gems. So if, and in addition to this, if any of your friends that you invite also participate in the lucky draw, or so you will be able to get what, 4% of the total amount they used in participating in the lucky draw. I hope that is understood. Okay, so that is that for that task. And then for us to be able to do this task, we'll click on this, so we'll go do it later on. So but this, the second one here, it's saying that this second one is saying that you, for this particular task, you actually have to participate in the draw. Okay, and the minimum amount for participating, actually you actually use minimum of 200 gems to participate, and then the following day, according to what they have mentioned there, you will receive what, 200 gems the next day. That's for the first part of this particular task. You can see number one, task number one. Then task number two, it says that you also stand a chance of winning million gem jackpots. That is, you are going to be winning, you have the chance to win a total of up to 1 million gems. Okay, but the thing is this, let's just explain this thing once and for all. Okay, follow me step by step, guys. Now if you participate in this lucky draw, everybody that participated is going to win, so it's not as if you are going to lose anything. Okay, so but the thing is this, out of the total amount that has been participated, 20% will be taken out. 20% of what is to be won will be separated. So out of that 20% that is separated, the person that took first position is going to take 50% of that 20% that has been allocated. Okay, the person with the second position is going to take 30% of that amount that has been separated, while the remaining 20% will be won by the third position. Okay, so the first, second and third position are going to share 20% of the entire reward. Now the remaining 20% is now going to be shared among all other participants, and I believe that this 80% is going to be based on the amount you have that you use in participating. For example, the person that used 200 gems to participate is not going to get as much as the person that used, let's say, 1000 gems to participate. Do you understand? So obviously the person that used 1000 gems is going to get more, while the person that used 2000 gems is going to get more, and so on and so forth. All right, so let's quickly go back and then click on this. It's loading. So here we are. Scroll down and then come and click on this share to get diamonds. I've shared the first one, so this is going to be my second one for today. I've actually shared the second one, so I'm going to share the third one. So right away you can actually do this. You can actually do the betting right away here. Okay, so you simply click the amount you want to bet. Obviously I only have 400 that is made available. Remember that the 2000 I earned has not been made available. Like I choose 200 and then I place this, and then So you can see bet has been placed. So we can say continue betting. So another bet has been placed successfully. I guess that's all I can do. So okay, so I think I've finished my total my ability to bet for the day. So the reward is going to be shared every day at 8:30 Turkey time. So what I want to do now is to click on this my assets, and I know the question that is in your mind. The question now is, how much is this gem worth? Okay, how much is this gem worth? Now look at this. This is the current price of gem. This is the current price of gem, right? Now, so it means that for you to get $1 worth of gem, you actually need about 7,000 gems. 7,000 gems equals to $1 worth of gems. After I calculated this, actually around 6,667 gems will give you $1 worth of gems. But so let's just approximate it to 7,000 gems. Okay, now look at this. You can actually transfer your gems from one user to another. Okay, with this you can see transfer there. That will be internal transfer. Then you can actually withdraw. Okay, then let's click on this and let's see how to swap our gems. Okay, so now guys, I want to show you something. You can actually swap your gem, one gem, and the minimum amount of swapping is what is 100 gems, as you have seen here. You can actually swap your gem to phi, and the value of this phy is actually very high. Let's look at it. Phi is already listed on MXC exchange. Guys, you can see this. Phi is already listed on MXC exchange. As you can see, it's already listed on MXC exchange. Okay, if you look, let's go to the charts. Click on this chart button right here. Click on charts. You can see some time ago, I think it was around somewhere here, around 8 cents or thereabouts. Okay, you can see that this fee, the price of fee is actually rising. So in a way, as you are earning your gems, okay, I think this thing may actually require a bit of what is it called now, a bit of knowing how to trade. Okay, because if you actually earn gem and convert it to fee, and then if the price of fee keep rising, the value of what you have can actually continue to rise. Okay, but definitely if it comes down, you know that you are losing. You understand? So you actually have to know what you are doing. Okay, so you might probably wait for it to come down, for it to retrace a little, and then before you convert to fee, and then make more money from price appreciation. So that's actually how to convert. But then you can also convert to your USDT. Just click on it and you can see USDT here. Okay, convert to USDT, and then you can just go ahead and withdraw with your to your preferred exchange or wallet. So we've gone back. Let's click on withdraw. Okay, so let's just quickly convert this to USDT. So we can convert to USDT. Okay, the minimum withdrawal we can withdraw is now 6 USDT. Okay, while that of fee that you saw earlier is 10 fee. So you can actually withdraw you withdraw with fee, or you withdraw with USDT. So guys, one more thing you need to take note of is the blockchain. If you want to withdraw, if you are using USDT, please make sure that change this. You can see this is Ethereum here, right? Ethereum, right? So make sure you change it to Binance. Make sure you change it to Binance. Okay, make sure you change it to Binance so that you won't pay high gas fee. Okay, make sure you change it to Binance so that you won't pay high gas fee. But if you are using fee to withdraw, you can just it's going to automatically change to Binance by itself. Okay, so make sure you take note of the blockchain you are using, and then you can then go ahead and copy your wallet address. So if you are using Binance, you are using what? BEP20 network to withdraw. Okay, so guys, rush this project as quickly as possible. Rush it now that things are easy to do. So that's how to go about this, guys. So the link for this updates of this Efsane will be at the description section below. Guys, you can actually share this video with your friends. Okay, share this video with your friends so that they can learn about it, and then use your referral link. Send them your referral link. Share this video and give them your referral link and let them use it to register. You can also join us in our Telegram and WhatsApp group to get quick and sharp and insightful updates. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and also click on the notification bell. All right, guys, this is where we stop for today. This is the Easy Earners Club.